Hey guys, this is Nick, and today is a bit of a special video because Tuxedo partnered up with the channel to give you guys a chance to win one of their laptops for free, shipping directly to your door. So let's take a look at how we can do that. So I already reviewed the Aura 15, that's the laptop that you'll get a chance to win. It's made by Tuxedo, it's made out of aluminum, and it has a 15.6-inch 1080p matte display. The model Tuxedo and I can let you win has the following specs: an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U, which is a very powerful CPU, 16GB of RAM, 1TB of SSD, and it ships with Tuxedo OS 20.04, although you will be able to install whatever else you want on it. It also comes with a QWERTY keyboard. The Aura 15 has two USB 2.0 ports, an Ethernet jack, a microSD card slot, a headphone jack, as well as one USB 3.2 port, one USB-C port with full DisplayPort support, an HDMI port, a barrel charger, and a SIM card slot, so you can use 4G or LTE on it as well. Now, the integrated GPU part of the Ryzen 7 is good enough to let you do some light gaming and even some AAA gaming at mid to low settings. It's pretty good. The battery will run for 7 to 9 hours depending on what you do, which is way more than enough for a full day's work. Now, it's a lightweight computer at 1.5 kilograms, and I really enjoyed using it when I reviewed it. I left a link in the description below to the review I made at the time, or you can also look at the card up top. Or is it here? Here? I don't know, maybe over there. It usually retails for a little bit more than €1,000, and now you get a chance to win one for free. All you have to do is head over to the comment section and leave me a comment down there on this very video. In a week's time, I'll pick a winner at random between all of these comments. You can also subscribe to the channel. It's not mandatory, but how are you going to know when the winner is announced or who it is if you don't subscribe and turn notifications, eh? All the rules of the contest are written in the description of this video. Basically, there is no restriction on where you live. All you have to do is conform to your local set of rules and laws, so check up on that before you enter. And also be over 18 or have the permission of your parents or legal guardian. That's about it. Anyone can enter, anyone can win. Just remember, it is useless to comment twice or more with the same account because I will remove duplicate entries from the same accounts, obviously. So I'll pick the winner on September the 6th at 8 PM Paris time. I'll let you check what time that is in your local time zone. Time zones are hard. And basically all I ask to do to check that no one is gaming the system is that the winner send me an email. I'll answer with a phrase that they have to put in their original comment. They'll have to modify their original comment with that phrase, and then they send me an email back telling me when it's done. And with their shipping address. And once we confirm that all is good, the laptop will be shipping directly to you. And that's it. So big thanks for Tuxedo for providing the prize, the Aura 15, that you guys get a chance to win. And basically thanks to all of you for following the channel, subscribing to it, watching what I do, and allowing me to be full-time at the end of October. That's pretty amazing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the channel. If you do, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And if you don't like either this video or the channel, you can also dislike and tell me why in the comments. And if you want to help me do what I do, you can also either watch on Odyssey or join my Patreon subscribers and YouTube members. You'll get access to some nice perks like a weekly Patreon cast or the right to vote on the next topics I'll cover. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!